They've got the John Deere 5-yard loader scooping up from a big bed of big bank of topsoil. It comes out of there. There's all sizes of rock material, so it has to go into this machine here. It's called a triple deck. Actually, this one's a double screen. There's double and triple screens. This machine is going to separate out the rock. You can see what happens is the loader dumps it over the top. That's what's called a grizzly. So all the larger material bounces off the top there. The smaller material, probably about 4 inches and under, goes through there and then goes in to be screened. On this side, you wind up with 3/4 inch minus road base. On the other end over here, we've got a nice sandy loam topsoil, and then you got a bunch of crap that gets kicked out on the other side. You can see all the different equipment needed just to get some consistent production out of here. You got topsoil back there, road base over here, you got a machine feeding it. Now, for a legitimate permitted quarry that complies with all the laws and regulations, as opposed to those illegal quarries out there in the Mojave Desert, that's a major investment.